Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a simple way to receive money using Zelle, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're a first timer or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. Zelle is a fast, secure, and free way to send and receive money directly between US bank accounts. It's perfect for splitting bills, paying friends, or receiving payments from anyone who owes you money. Before you can receive money, you'll need to set up a Zelle account. So to be able to do that, open your bank's mobile app or download the Zelle app if your bank doesn't offer it. Register using your email address or phone number, link your bank account to Zelle, and that's it. You're ready to receive payments. When someone sends you money using Zelle, it's super easy to receive it. So you'll get a notification via email or text saying you received money. Click the link if it's your first time. Follow the notification to register your email or phone number, and the money will be directly deposited into your linked bank account. No need for extra apps or waiting periods. It's that quick. And there you have it. Receiving money on Zelle is quick, easy, and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.